Tips and tricks to care for tinnitus. Whether your ringing ear noise is consistent or intermittent, it will still fall under the category of tinnitus. Though most people do not report actual pain with tinnitus, it can still lead to other health problems caused by sleeplessness or stress from its consistency. As you begin to understand this annoying condition and its causes, you can implement the tips below to get some relief. If you suffer from tinnitus, it is important that you not panic. When people constantly hear ringing in their ears, they just assume that there is something wrong with them. However, tinnitus is not only a condition that is usually temporary, but it is also a condition that is not serious. Try to avoid exposing yourself to loud noises. Carry earplugs with you for situations where you might be exposed to extremely loud noise. You can even shove your fingers in your ears in an extreme case. For many sufferers of tinnitus, loud noises can trigger or make the condition worse. Visit your doctor for an ear cleaning if your tinnitus is bothering you. Wax can increase the severity of tinnitus symptoms, and in some cases, cotton swabs can hit the eardrum and cause temporary tinnitus symptoms. Think back to when your tinnitus started, and remember whether you also began a prescription regimen at the same time. There are several medications that can cause or aggravate tinnitus, and the symptoms should disappear when the medication is stopped. If you can, and under a doctor's watchful eye, try stopping each drug one by one for a week to see if your hearing problems also stop. Try to stay away from stressful situations. Tinnitus often gets worse when you feel anxious, possibly because of how stress affects your blood flow. Do your best to think about what situations may be stressful in advance, and choose to do something else instead, so that you will stay calm. If you suffer from tinnitus, your first step should be getting your hearing checked. Even slight hearing loss can be enough to cause an onset of tinnitus. If you find that you do have hearing loss, simply getting hearing aids can eliminate your tinnitus symptoms. In a very few extreme cases, surgery may be necessary. Tinnitus will not hurt you physically, but you may experience a lower quality of life. You must learn to manage tinnitus if you want to live well while having the condition. Take advantage of the plans that are outlined in this video to lessen the effects of your tinnitus. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.